And welcome back, everyone. So we just got the keys to the new place, and we are just getting off of work and decided to go ahead and get started on the carpet. As you can see, this carpet is hideous and it has to go. So first things first is we just start the process of removing the old carpet. We tear it off into smaller manageable strips as it is easier to carry and throw away in the regular garbage. So that's the reason why we are cutting it into smaller strips instead of just taking out the whole thing. We don't have any trash bins big enough that would hold that full piece, or also the strength to carry that full piece. So here we are, we're getting started on removing the old carpet. So this is one of the first bedrooms. We were working on the living room as well. I have my wife helping me out, which is awesome. As you can see, we have some really nice hardwood underneath all this disgusting carpet, and we are just trying to get this thing out of here. Again, it's the first night. We just got the keys to the house after closing on the loan, and we decided, hey, time to get to work. Here we are removing the final pieces of the padding, and now it's time to just start to sweep it up a little bit. We're wearing masks because we don't know really what's underneath the carpet, what's in the dust. It's been there for 50 years. And as you can see, there's just tons and tons of dirt and staples that are left over. But first night, we're able to remove the carpets from every single room. And here you can kind of see what it's looking like now. It's looking like we're gonna have our work cut out for us. Even though it's hardwood, it's pretty damaged. Here's the bedroom number 1. As you can see, it's a lot of damage to it here, so we're definitely gonna have to put in some work here to bring this wood back to life. Here we go, the hallway. Again, very damaged. And the second bedroom, extremely damaged. Guys, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. It'll help us out a lot. Here we go, final shots of the living room. Bedroom number 1. Hallway. And bedroom number 2. Guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe and look forward to our next video. Here we go. It's garbage time.